to calm down, Becky. I'm trying to calm down. I can't. I am angry. I am pissed. I feel like crashing this car right now.
No. Listen. Drive safely. Your life is very important. When you get to the hotel, you'll see your husband's car parked at the first car lot. I left there some minutes ago. But please, be matured in your dealings, okay?
Hungry. I can't wait to get to that hotel. I just wish my heart doesn't bust before I get to that hotel. Out of my way! Get out!
Good evening. Yes, I booked for 2 rooms 2 days ago. Check the name now, F.A. Priye.
F.A. Priye.
Yes.
Okay. So, what category of room did you book?
Nah, deluxe now. They say now 15,000.
Deluxe room is not 15,000. It should be single room.
Okay, single room. Okay. But now 15 I pay.
Single room. Okay, I've seen your details.
Okay. I hope say the AC day very cool. Well.
It's okay. You enjoy it.
Okay.
Hey, baby.
Baby.
Yeah.
Why you do the thing now, Ify?
Come on, I'm here now. You can eat me if you want to.
Ify, see, you really fine. Well today. Hey, see, you know what will happen now?
What?
Just go to the bar now. Go wait for me. Take drink there. They come.
Seriously?
Make I collect key from here. First.
Okay. Don't keep me waiting.
No, I don't go wait.
No, I've missed you.
Okay, I missed you more.
Alright.
Hey, baby. Hey! Today go top. Okay. I beg, let me have
your own case.
Yes.
Becky, you are right. Becky, you are right. I am in the hotel. And guess what? My husband is here with a woman. His car is parked here. In fact, I am right beside his car. Hey! Men has come. Men will stain your white. Hey!
No. Don't break his car. Girl, don't even create a scene. Just take some pictures as proof, then walk away. There's no need for public drama. Just walk away. Allow him battle with his conscience. Yeah. Trust me, darling. Men don't deserve our sweat. It's okay. Take care. Remember, walk away. All right, bye.
Hey! This is his number plate, sir. It's my husband's car. Eh? He actually came into this hotel with another woman. With a woman!
Hello? Yeah? My wife? How do you mean? No, that's impossible. That can't be my wife. Are you serious? Okay. Alright, just take a few pictures and send it to me right away. And hold on, what is the name of the hotel? Okay. Alright, thank you. Male, calm down. No vex. See, look my fault. But very soon, I go make come up to you. Once I come up for my organ hand now, that time money go dey enter my hand well. Some things we are supposed to do for you. As your son, I will do am well. No vex, Male, no vex.
Hey,
Hey, baby. Male, I'll call you back. I beg no vex. I dey talk with my Male.
It's okay.
See, Effie.
Yeah.
You too dey beautiful. I don't hear who won't see you dey beautiful, but now I can't believe say for once gossip dey right.
Come on. This name sweetie for my body. Why are you so?
See, this your succulent body, it dey scatter my brain. You see am?
You
See,
just kill me.
you too fine. That the truth now. You too fine. So you know wetin go happen now?
Yeah.
Make we do this thing now so that go fit comot here quick.
Fine.
You know say my body don dey for long.
Come on, let's just take our breaths. Yeah.
If you go to say make we take our beats now after when we don totori ourselves finish, say when we don jolly do everything, now we come back and that one is sweet pass.
Come on, there is this smell, sweat and engine oil. Just freshen up.
Ife,
Yeah.
see, no worry, one day I go make money, come clean up, come buy many things for you, change your life, everything go come dey well.
I'm always talking about you making money. Whether you make money or not, I'll still be with you. I love you. Yeah.
See
That's
this
my
thing when you
baby.
talk like
Yeah.
the thing just make my heart, my mind dey cool. I
know.
love you well.
So, enough. You're taking a bath now. Freshen up, then to the room.
If you make we do this thing, after when we don't do after you will come bath.
No,
Now that one
no,
go go sweet
no,
pass.
no. By the way, what's the car you came in with?
If you see, now one of my organ I gets
Okay.
that car.
Okay.
So that's why I say make we quick do this thing so that I go return am back to workshop before the person
Yeah,
come
you're
back.
right. So, where's the condom?
If why you come the house of condom again? Why you don't see skin to skin? I like pass. You don't see this your body, this your succulent body.
I'm so tired you've started again. I've told you countless times. Except to get married, no practical sex.
If I go marry.
No. If there's no condom, no show.
If you know where to go happen now. Time don't they go. So how we go come take do am now?
Okay, fine. I have one in my bag, but it's in your car. Your car keys. Let me go get it. Yeah, I insist.
Because time no day again, make you go get am. Efe, see this your body here. This your back as you. Just like I won't drop engine. Bah for ground like this. Hey! You don't say.
Yes? What were you doing in my husband's car?
Excuse me, madam.
Excuse you what?
Your husband's car? That car belongs to my boyfriend. What are you talking about, madam?
So you're the one sleeping with my husband?
Excuse me, you're my boyfriend. I'm not your husband. I don't even know you.
Oh! You're even calling my husband your boyfriend.
What do you
You're calling my husband your boyfriend.
Hey!
You're calling my husband your
Stop!
boyfriend. Are you serious? You're asking me who I am.
She's
You're sleeping with my husband. Please, handle her. Handle her.
What is this?
Are you okay? Will you open your mouth?
Me a
I
mad
don't
woman.
understand.
She's sleeping with my husband. She's calling me a mad
What's
woman.
happening here? I'm here with my boyfriend. I don't
My
know
friend,
your
shut up your
husband,
mouth.
madam.
Hey! Men will stain your white. Even if you are wearing a red cloth, they will still stain your white. What is my husband doing with this cookie? What is my husband doing with this native fowl? Eh? Look at me. Listen. Wait. Which room is my husband? Which room? If you don't want me to instruct them to kill you here, tell me the room he is.
My friend, will you open your mouth?
In room 212.
212.
Yeah.
Fine.
Please let
Guys,
me go. I don't know what you're
you know what to do. Move.
Wait, take me to.
should I calm down? Eh? Why should I? This has been happening under my nose. What do men want? What exactly do they want? Eh? Have I not been a good wife to Jidofo? Not just a good wife, but a beautiful one at that. What is it? I saw this stupid person that he was sleeping with. One a cook, one useless small girl that can't even wash her pants properly. Eh? For 8 years, he has been acting like a saint. Like I said, today I will spit on his face. I must trash it out today. Please don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down, please. You are right. Once again, Becky, you are right. Thank you. I'll find my way into that room now. The girl said 212. Yes. Thank you.
Where is she?
She just went inside. You can go there, but please don't hurt her.
Let's go together.
No, I'll play my part. Just go alone. Just go. I will send you videos, okay? And just go. They will allow you. The girl there is my friend.
Are you sure you saw my wife here?
Why would I lie? Am I a liar? Are you calling me a liar? I cannot lie. She's there.
You misroad. Which kind of rubbish be this?
It's the wrong room. I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry.
So this is it. And that you have been cheating on me.
What are you...
Tell him to open his door!
I don't understand. What are you talking about? I did not come here with any man. I don't even know the guy in there. I came here looking for you.
Oh, you came here looking for me?
Exactly.
Did I invite you here? Have you ever seen me in a hotel before?
Oh, please, don't even try to cover up. I know you that you came here with a woman. Where is the woman? Go bring the woman out.
Please. You both can go downstairs and settle whatever differences you may have. You are disturbing our guests.
Hey,
Stay out of this! Don't tell me to stay away from this. We have some high-profile guests here. This is not a marketplace. Please go downstairs. They don't want this noise.
Where is the woman?
what
Your
are you
side
here
chick.
for? What are you here
Where is
for?
the woman you came here with?
Who's in this room?
Where? This room, where are you coming from?
Tell him to
Where are you
open
coming from?
Tell him to open
Where are
the
you
door.
coming from?
I'm going
Where
to
is the
break
woman
this
you
door.
came with? Sir, security. Which room? Which room is this? Show me the room. I want to see the woman he came here with. He is my husband.
This is my wife. What is she here for?
Where is the woman he came here with?
What is this woman doing here? This is my wife. Open the door.
Side chick. Where is the side chick? Becky, you have finished me. Becky, you gave me a false information. How could you do that to me?
Wait. Didn't you see your husband with the girl?
I didn't see my husband. I saw another man. And now my husband thinks I was with the man. Kai, how could you do that to me?
Oh. No. Just think about it. He must have lodged in another room with another girl.
What nonsense are you talking about? Can you hear yourself speak? That was my husband's mechanic. Obviously, he went to the hotel with my husband's car.
Are you very sure?
Goodness, what kind of a... Why did you put me in... I hate to be in this dilemma, honestly.
Okay, calm down. Okay, listen. You need to act fast.
What exactly do I do?
Simple. Just turn the table around somehow. Accuse him of lodging in a room with a girl.
That's it. Excuse you? You don't know my husband, do you? My husband is highly intelligent. He's not... He cannot be manipulated like that. What?
This is the only defense you have. If you don't hold it tight, you lose your marriage.
Disaster cast by lies. Ayo, disaster from every way. Oh, disaster, and of hatred and of jealousy. Disaster from every way. Hey, this is wickedness, oh. To scatter a family. Oh, it is the...
How did he go? Did you see the man? Huh? Did you beat him? Talk to me now. Did you take his pictures? Talk to me now. Or did you confront your wife? I don't understand. This one you are keeping quiet. This one you're not talking. I hope you have not committed anything. I hope you have not done anything stupid. I hope you have not committed murder. Huh?
A man can be unfortunate so many times. A man can also be weak so many times. But a man can only be blind once.
I don't understand. What does that mean? Talk to me now. Wait. What's the meaning of this?
Hey, this is wickedness, oh. To scatter a family. Oh, it is devilish, oh. So what would you gain? Oh.
Mr. Tayo,
Oga Jide,
how are you?
fine, sir.
Are you done?
I beg Oga Jideofo, no vex for me. I beg in the name of God, please.
What do you mean forgive you? Are you done fixing my truck?
It will not happen again.
What do you mean?
Please, Oga Jideofo, if you won't beat me, you feel beat me, but just forgive me because of God. I beg.
What the hell are you talking about? Are you done fixing my truck? Did you bash my truck?
No, far from that.
What happened?
I beg Oga Jideofo, no vex.
What are you pleading for? What happened?
Please, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
Where's my truck?
Your truck is over there, sir.
Mr. Tayo, did you bash my truck?
No, I did not. I know.
Where's my key?
See, I'm sir. Yeah.
Take away someone's joy. It's an act of heartlessness. Be careful who you confide in when it comes to sharing your secret. Not everyone that smile with you that wish you well, my sister. Some friends they come like enemies. Some enemies they come like friends. Imagine the pain when someone you trusted so much turn out to be your enemy. This is wickedness, to scatter a family. Oh, it is devilish.
With the look on his face today, I doubt if the marriage will still work. Because I don't have the time or the energy to start explaining to him that I didn't go into that hotel with a man.
But what are you trying to say?
Well, I'll sell the property I acquired myself and leave the marriage.
Can you hear yourself? What about your son?
Let me worry about that.
Oh, no. I shouldn't have. I shouldn't have done this. I'm truly sorry.
Oh, come on. You don't need to be sorry. You were just looking out for a friend. I mean, if I was in your shoe, I would have done same. You just wanted to save my marriage. So don't be sorry, okay? I appreciate what you did. Okay? Take care of yourself.
It's okay. Please be careful, eh?
I will.
My regards to your son. Whatever. Finally.
This is so mean, to take away someone's joy. It's an act of heartlessness. Be careful who you confide in when it comes to sharing your secret. Not everyone that smile with you that wish you well, my sister.
Did you see my truck at the hotel?
I don't know. I did not pay attention.
Did you see my truck at the hotel?
I don't know. I did not pay attention. Any problem?
Excuse me, Grace.
What's up?
Can you believe that?
Sorry?
Someone else took my truck there.
Sorry?
Tire. Never mind.
Baby, what's wrong with him?
I don't know. I don't know.
I saw a guy with his truck in that hotel.
Are you sure?
Come on, whoever came with that truck is a suspect.
Suspect of what?
This guy almost caught his wife cheating. What's up?
My love.
Good day, Papa.
Yes, so yeah.
Please,
I need you to talk to your daughter. Call her and tell her I don't want to see her in my house by the time I get back.
My lord, what's the problem?
Call her and find out! Because I can't keep making myself an object of ridicule before everyone. This marriage is over and nothing can fix it.
Hey, my son, please calm down. Calm down and tell us what the problem is. Did you have any problem with her?
She will return to you soon. And when she does, ask her. I'm sure she will tell you.
Come now, my in-law, come. Come now, please, we can talk this over. Hey, my husband.
Yes.
I haven't seen a Jofo this angry before.
You see, it is not right for a man to be unreasonable when he's angry. What stops him from coming down and telling us what Adaoma did?
I don't really think it's important now. Let me get my phone. We need to call Adaoma and find out what the problem is. I'm coming. We go.
I wonder, this is serious. Is it ringing?
It's ringing, but she's not picking.
She's not picking.
She didn't pick.
Don't bother. My Ada that I know will call me and tell me what the situation is. Don't bother yourself.
No, I'm really worried though. I'm really worried though. I haven't seen Jidofo this angry before.
That's why I'm surprised. But don't bother. Ada will call us soon. And whatever it is, we'll know.
Hey, I just hope all is well. I just hope all is well.
I told you, my Ada will call. She's the one calling. Ada, yes, your husband is... Oh. She called us, she said she will call back. Well?
I said it. All is not well.
She did not sound so. It's not.
Adaoma.
These are the documents. Give it to Emeka. Tell Emeka that I said if he can get a buyer, that he should sell the land before Sunday, before he travels to Enugu on Sunday. Okay? He should put the money in his account. I'll ask for the money when I need it. As it stands now, I don't think everything will go back to normal.
Auntie, what is the problem?
My car is in Becky's house.
Your car?
Tell Emeka that I said that if he can see a buyer, he should also sell the car before leaving to Enugu on Sunday. He should also put the money in his account. I'll ask for the money when I need it. Okay?
Auntie, are you having any problem with your husband?
Listen, tell Emeka that anything he hears about me is a lie. I'm also telling you, tell anybody. Anything you people hear about me, it's a lie. I did not do it. You okay? Just, you remember, do you have any question? I don't want you to make any mistake. Deliver my message just the way I delivered it to you. Okay. The same way to Emeka. You understand? Yes. Any question? No. Are you sure? Yes. You heard everything I said? Yes. No mistake. You can go.
Imagine the pain when someone you trusted so much turn out to be your enemy. This is wickedness, to scatter a family. It is devilish, so what would you gain? This is so to take away someone's joy. It's an act of heartlessness. Disaster.
Adaoma, thanks for making me rich. I am rich. Adoma, thanks for making me rich. I am rich.
I see your mind is made up. You can do whatever you want to do to me. Behind you is a gun. You might as well shoot me and stop asking me silly questions.
I can see you have no conscience. You feel no remorse. You're talking back at me like you deserve some accolades for what you have done.
I don't have time for this because nothing I say to you will make sense. You are like the judge. I'm your subject.
You need to start talking. What happened at the hotel and who was that man I saw?
Well, I have nothing to say to you.
I'll ask you one more time. Who was that man and what is he to you?
You heard me, George.
This is wickedness, oh, to scatter a family. Oh, it is devilish, oh. So what would you gain? Oh, this is so mean, oh, to take away someone's joy. It's an act of heartlessness. Oh, disaster cast by lies. Ayo, disaster from every way. Oh, disaster, and of hatred and of jealousy. Disaster from every way. Hey, this is wickedness, oh, to scatter a family.
Hey, what happened? Oga Jide for coming just now. What happened?
Oga, abeg, no vex. I carry Oga Jide for motor. Now I take carry my girlfriend go one hotel. From there he can't catch me. Now I don't beg and I no gree. Now I vex drive come out. I beg Oga, no vex.
Which girlfriend be that one again?
Now I fade. If I pray that my girl.
She don't tell you before me you know they carry motor they go anywhere. All this hotel to hotel where they carry motor they go. She you know say I not like them.
Oga, abeg, no vex.
I don't tell you before me you know they carry motor they go from hotel to hotel. This one how many times I don't tell you. You won't push me come out for this shop.
No, Oga, no be so.
All this way they do, they don't come and tell me to do this thing. I know they like them.
No vex.
I will pursue come out for this shop instead of you go pursue me.
Oga, abeg. See,
now this one will be the last chance when I will give you.
Abeg, Oga.
If you carry person motor again, when you spoil and they call me again, I will pursue come out for this shop.
Oga, abeg, no vex, Oga. Even now for that hotel sef as he catch me, I no see Efe again. And Oga Jide of us, I beg am now, he never agree. So I dey think of that Efe own, and I still dey think of him own. I don't know where that Efe dey now.
Okay. I don't tell you.
Oga, abeg.
No dey carry
Oga,
people motor dey come out for this shop.
Oga, abeg.
No dey carry anybody motor dey come out.
I no go try am again.
I no like this thing wey you dey do. This one go be the last time.
Oga, abeg.
I no go tell you again.
No
if you
vex.
do am again, I have nothing for this shop.
No vex, Oga, abeg. Abeg, Oga.
Oga! 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 Oga!
What's going on?
See,
Somebody go die for this house.
What happened?
I hear gunshot inside.
What?
Hell
no. What?
Oga! Make we find way break this door.
Ada! Jidofo!
Auntie, see. Make we call the police.
Okay.
Make we break this door down. Call the police. Oga! Hey! Oga!
Wait, let me call her. Pick. Oh, she's not picking her call. Did anyone enter into the house with them?
No, just Oga just drive, enter park motor, walk straight, enter house. The next thing I hear na gunshot. What? Oga! See, make we call the police. Call the police, make we break this door.
Ada, please pick up.
Auntie?
Okay. Oh, let me call the police.
Call the police, make we break the door. Oga!
Hold on. Hello? Emergency unit? Yes, sir. Please help. There's an emergency at Bright Avenue.
Number 16.
Yes, 16.
Emergency. Maybe they come na.
Please just hurry up.
Maybe they fly. Use helicopter. Use everything. I'm all the cop. Oga! Hey! Oh!
What did I do?
Oga, open door now.
There's cola. Don't bother about cola now.
What's the problem?
Did your son come here a few hours ago?
No.
You see, I think there is a problem. But I don't know what it is. He came to the house in anger, ranting. At the end of the day, he said, I should tell my daughter to leave his house. So I was wondering. And I called my daughter to find out what was really going on. But she didn't pick. And I saw her call. And I picked it. But she didn't say anything. After that, I started calling. She did not pick up till now. So I decided to come and see you if there is anything.
Let me get it right. You mean my son came to your house?
Oh, yes.
And asked you to come and take your daughter from his house?
Oh, yes.
Is that all? He didn't say anything?
When we asked him, he didn't say anything tangible. He left in anger. So I decided to come and see you to find out if he was there.
No, he wasn't here. Wait. Are you sure she's safe?
That I can't really tell.
Okay. Asaba is not very far from here. Yeah. I think there's need for us to go there and know what is going on.
Yeah, you have said it all.
Okay, let me call Odingbat. We'll meet him to take us to the house. Huh?
Please do.
Okay.
What's wrong with these children?
We're talking something important here.
That one not important. That one not important.
These police guys, where are they? So, how many gunshots did you hear inside?
I don't know. I heard gunshots. I hear back.
Oh, officer, yes. What happened? Did you see them? Were you able to get them out?
Actually, there's no entrance gate behind. There's no entrance gate behind.
But you're supposed to do your jobs. Help! Do something. Why did I call you here?
There's nothing we can do. There's nothing we can do about it.
I don't get it. Why would you just leave like that? There might be somebody just dying in there. And you just sitting there shouting, get up!
Hey, what they do me? I don't believe what they do you. My God just died.
You know what?
Is it they got me salary?
Listen to me. You are of no use here. Just go to the gate. Make sure Zion does not come inside. Is that clear? Go to the gate post. Leave this place.
No. I'm not going anywhere. I must remain here till Zion comes back. So that you pick him up from here and go to your house. Zion must not enter this house. Hey!
That's fine. Get up from where you're seated. Go to the gate. When he's here, just signal me.
I'm not going anywhere. I will remain here.
Don't you just listen to me?
No, but this is what they do me. Say, my God still they owe me salary. My God don't die. Ah, God!
What's going on? Is your husband safe? Is he alive?
He's fine. He's still alive. It's almost happened.
What almost happened? What happened, Ada?
Calm down. Listen, can I wash my hands?
Ada.
I want to wash my hands. Please.
Ada, if you have committed a murder, I advise you leave this place or take yourself to the police.
Can I get water to wash my hand? Or tell me where I can wash my hand and rest. I just need to cool off, please.
You shouldn't be here. You need to leave.
Are you asking me out of your house? Excuse me, you caused this. Yes, you put me through this. What's your problem? Excuse me.
Where do you think you're going to? What? Where are you going to? What is happening? What is going on?
He wanted to shoot me. And
it's okay, don't cry. Don't cry.
Hey, Oga, sorry.
Oh, you need to take me to the hospital.
Let's go. Right? Oga, sorry.
Wait, it's okay. Just wait.
Okay. Hey, sorry.
Sorry.
Oh. Sorry.
Jidolfo, are you saying you want to end your marriage when you cannot tell me where the problem started from?
On whose side are you? Are you on her side? Are you supporting her? Do you know where I saw her today? Do you know what I saw her doing? She almost killed me. So she can go on with her evil plans.
Jidolfo, I don't know why I find it difficult to believe that your wife shot you. I don't know.
Obina, if you don't have anything tangible to say, please leave my house.
Jidolfo, you cannot make me get angry and leave your house. I need to know where the problem started from.
I have nothing to say until I see her. And guess what? I've spoken to the police. She's going to get arrested and she'll be sent to jail for attempted murder.
Where is your son?
I don't know. Where's my son?
Sir?
My son.
Okay, Auntie Becky took him away.
Where's my son?
Jidolfo, what's going on? Crazy things have been happening and no one is saying anything about it. What's the problem?
Where is my son?
He's in my house. I left him sleeping there. But say something, what's the problem? We can fix it.
There's nothing to fix with a woman who tried to kill me.
Oh, please. Don't lie against me. I'm still here. You almost shot me. If not that I dived on you and the bullet went off.
And you left me there in my own pool of blood. You left me there to die after you kicked my balls.
Jidolfo, please, I want this whole thing to end here. Please. I know very well that your wife cannot shoot you.
She tried to kill me. I'm not lying.
Jidolfo, swear. This is the Holy Bible. Swear with this Bible that I tried to shoot you. Go on, swear. Tell him to swear. Swear!
No, I won't do that.
Jidolfo, do what she asks you to do if you're sure of yourself.
Oh, listen, all this is not necessary. Let's just fix this once and for all.
I can't continue to live with a woman who tried to kill me. I can't continue to live with a woman who I found in a hotel with another man.
What were you doing in that hotel? Answer, what were you doing there?
Okay. You're asking me that stupid question.
No, it's not a stupid question. Answer
When you
the
get
question.
to your father's house, I'll answer you.
Woo! Like I'm scared. A person will not find a fair very fast, my dear. If I get to my father's house, I will marry someone that's even 100 times finer than you are. What are you saying? You think I'm scared? I'm not scared of going to my father's house.
Like I said, I'm done with this marriage. I can't be with you because you're a cheat, you're a liar, and you're very wicked. You almost killed me, so I can't be with you. I'm sorry.
I was not saying that you almost killed me. Swear with the Holy Bible. Swear.
Jidolfo, stop making matter worse here. If you know you love your family very well, do not allow this accusation to cross here.
Obinna, I am not accusing her. She has the Bible close to her. She should swear I didn't catch her frolicking with another man in a hotel.
Swear that I didn't catch you frolicking with another woman in that hotel.
You were at the hotel today too. Who told you about this?
Obinna, it doesn't matter who told me. What matters is I caught my wife frolicking in a hotel.
Jidolfo, whoever that told you this does not want your peace. Your wife is a noble woman. She doesn't look like someone who can cheat on you, Jidolfo. If I thought she wanted to cheat on you, she would have done that when you were jobless and broke.
What nonsense are you talking about, Obidna? How do cheats look? Do they have it written on their faces? What the hell is wrong with you? I'm here telling you what I saw. And you're trying to twist the whole thing. Why?
Jidolfo, do you think your wife is stupid? If I thought she's cheating on you, she would do it in the same city with you? Oh, come on, Jidolfo. This woman has been the one taking care of you, paying for all the bills. Jidolfo, this woman bought a car for you. This woman bought a land for you. This woman has been the one paying for all the bills. Jidolfo, what is wrong with you?
Alright then. Why did she not swear with the Holy Bible? Why? Because she is guilty.
Jidolfo, who told you about this? In short, avoid that person that told you about this. That person hates you so much.
No, Kelly does not hate me.
What?
He has my interest at heart.
Kelly! Kelly bubona boy no boda. I am a kwane sibo. Kelly that smokes India hams everywhere. Oh, come on, Jidolfo. How could you allow Kelly, of all people, to deceive you? Kelly! Bubona boy no boda I am a kwa. Oh my God!
Who be that? What for the gate? Come where? Wait now. Don't they rush. Now I won't come to the rush. Wait. I'm not saying... No, sir. I'm not saying you cannot go inside. The police said no one should enter into a crime scene.
Did you say a crime scene?
Yes, sir. A crime scene.
What happened here today?
I'm not in the position to answer that. Maybe when he comes back, you can ask him.
Come. I don't like this. Do you know who I am?
Sir, that is the point. You are not me, self, that even talking to you. I don't even know my own self. Talk more of me knowing you or any other person.
But you know you can't stop us from going inside. Don't you know that?
Oh, sir, I don't like repeating myself, and it's like you're not getting it. I'm not stopping you from going inside, sir. I'm only stopping you from going into a crime scene.
This boy is very disrespectful.
Sir?
Yes. You are very disrespectful. You can't stop me from going.
What is going on? And where's your wife? I don't care where she is. I don't care where she is. Listen to me. Whoever knows my wife should tell her never to come back to this house again.
You didn't say whatever she has done. But you see, silence cannot answer questions. What did she do?
Sir, with due respect, I don't have the energy to talk about your daughter. But tell her to stay away from this house, else I'll commit murder. And you,
sir,
why did you open the gate?
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
You are walking out on us. If you move any further, I will break your head. Something wrong with you? You know.
This may not end anytime soon. I think I should just go apologize to Chidi for what I did to him.
Becky.
Oh.
Why is Mom crying?
Is she crying?
Yes, she is.
Don't worry. She's just a little bit sick, okay?
Okay. But why was Daddy shouting?
What? Was your daddy shouting?
Yes. I heard it from your bedroom.
Oh, that. Never mind. Your dad was just on a call to someone who was owing him some money. Okay?
Okay, Auntie.
You have nothing to worry about.
Yes,
So let's go see your mommy and find out why she's crying.
Okay.
Ellie, something is wrong. Yes, you need to come with me now. Just, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
What is it now? Let's go where?
Jidolfo has been vomiting blood since morning. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go and take him to the hospital
vomiting
now.
blood?
Yes, he has been vomiting blood since what? Let's go.
Why are you here? Why did you take him to the hospital?
My car is faulty. I can't drive. I can't drive. Let's go.
Jesus.
Let's go now.
Where are you? We are waiting.
I thought you said he has been vomiting blood.
Sit down.
What's going on?
Kelly, tell me, why do you want to break this happy family?
I don't understand. I don't know what you're talking about. What do you mean, why do I want to break this happy family? Which family do I want to break?
Kelly, I repeat myself. Why do you want to break this happy family?
I don't understand. What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about. Do I want to break your family? My own family? It's not possible.
Okay.
Are you vomiting blood? Because you told me you have been vomiting blood. Huh?
Yes, I was just...
You think I'm joking with you? Where the hell did you get the gun?
Did you just slap me?
Where did you get the gun? I'll slap you again if you don't start talking.
No, you just hit me.
Yes, I did.
Okay. I will not tell you where I got the gun from. Do your worst.
Oh, really?
Yes, really.
You just... Dad!
Zion, go to your room. Your mom and I are...
Playing.
We're having like a drama rehearsal. Yeah. Go to your room. Zion, go to your room.